In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a CSV file, specifically your contacts list, into Mailchimp. Whether you're using the free version, the paid version, or whether you've opted for the new builder or the classic version, the process remains fairly consistent. Let's dive in. First, you need to create your CSV file. To do this, open your preferred spreadsheet application. You might be using Excel, Google Sheets, or any other similar program. It's crucial to note that the first column in your document must be labeled as email address, because this is the primary field that Mailchimp uses to identify your contacts. Beyond that, feel free to add other columns like first name or last name. These are optional, but can be very helpful later when you're personalizing your campaigns. Once you've organized all your data, go ahead and save or export your file as a CSV or TXT format. This format is compatible with Mailchimp and ensures that your data is uploaded correctly. Next, log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the Audience section, which might also appear as Contacts, depending on your version. Within this section, you need to select the specific audience list where you want to add your new contacts. Selecting the correct audience is important, especially if you maintain multiple lists for different campaigns or customer segments. With your audience list selected, it's time to start the import process. Click on Manage Audience, and then choose Import Contacts. Here, you'll see an option to upload a file. Go ahead and select your CSV file from your computer. This is the moment where all the information you've gathered will start integrating into Mailchimp. After uploading, you'll have some options to set. If you've got any groups or tags that you'd like to assign to these contacts, now's the time to do so. Additionally, if your goal is to update existing contacts rather than creating duplicates, you'll want to check the option labeled Update Any Existing Contacts. This makes sure that your contact list is clean and organized without any repetitive entries. At this stage, Mailchimp will automatically try to match your CSV columns with its contact fields, like email, first name, and so on. If certain columns don't seem to match up on Mailchimp's end, you'll need to manually assign those columns to the correct fields or decide to skip them altogether if they're not necessary. Before finalizing, it's essential to review everything. Check how many contacts will be added or updated. Once you're satisfied, confirm and complete the import process. Finally, after the import is done, double-check that the contacts have successfully appeared in your audience list. Look out for any potential issues flagged by Mailchimp, such as invalid email addresses or duplicates, and clear them up to maintain the integrity of your list. And there you have it, a complete guide to importing your contacts into Mailchimp using a CSV file.